This is Sean with the Scale Model Car Guide channel, and I'm coming to you with a mail call. A couple of shout outs here, and let me get started. The first one is Cliff from GI Mechanics Scale Modeling. And y'all, he's fairly new to the YouTube, but he's been building. He's a heck of a model builder, and he's got his little niece into building models too. Y'all need to go over there and check him out. He's a serviceman. Thank him for his service, and a hell of a guy. Go over there and check him out. Okay, and then today I got a mail call. I got this in the mail right here from SEAMUS over at SEAMYBMW or SEAMYBMW, whichever way you want to say it. And that sucker, he sent me his Fiat Abarth that he built, or Abarth. I can't say that very good, but he lit it up. He built a couple of those for his scene with his scan. Was it scan? I can't remember which truck it's called. It's a European truck, so I can't remember exactly which truck it's called. But race team. It was a big old Italy truck and trailer for the Fiat race team. And he built me one of these, weathered it up, as you can see right here. Look at this thing. This thing is awesome. He painted the interior. Look, that is a beautiful, beautiful rally car. That thing is awesome. He's got it weathered up. He's got it lit up. Let me turn this out real quick and show you. There's the, see, can you see the lights in here? Got that window open, but you can see it. Look at that. That thing is beautiful. His interior work. SEAMUS does awesome work. Y'all need to go check him out. I can't thank him enough. That thing is sweet. Look at that engine in it. The row, he put seat belts in it. Roll cage, man, this thing is painted to the T and weathered, lightly dusted. It's beautiful, beautiful. Let me move this out of the way. And he knows I'm a British car guy, so he sent me a little Austin Haley bug-eyed Sprite and a little MGB. I got a MGB GT, which is the hardtop in the back. I gotta restore it someday. Right now I'm working on my little MG midget. One day I'll finish it up. And he also sent me a little BMW Seta 250, and it's a little remote control, 1/24 scale remote control. It's got lights and everything. That thing is sweet. Man, I can't thank him enough. I got a hold of him and told him thank you, and we got to talking about how big American cars are and this and that. And so SEAMUS, stick around at the end of this video, and y'all too, and I'm going to show you the little MG I've been working on. One day I'll get around to getting out there and getting it painted so I can throw it all back together. But I compared it to my wife's vehicle and my vehicle. So at SEAMUS, you could see the size difference of American car to a little British car. And it being a midget, you know, it's super small. So y'all stick around after this and check that out. Thank you. And if you like what I'm doing, please like, share, and subscribe. And y'all go over to Cliff's channel and go over to SEAMUS's channel, SEAMYBMW or SEAMYBMW. Hell of a model builder. Thank you. SEAMUS, this is for you, buddy. This is my wife's vehicle up against my MG midget, and then I'll show you my vehicle, the size up against my MG midget. You are right, those are very small cars compared to the big American cars. And that's my MG. Look at that. Look at the front ends of those. Look at the front end of my wife's vehicle to how small. That looks like a little go-kart. Go around here. Yeah, SEAMUS, I'm going to paint this thing British racing green. Redo the interior, the wheels. I got a roll bar for it. I got numbers for it. This is going to be one awesome little car. Here's the back end. There's the back end of. All right, now I'll go take a picture of mine. SEAMUS, this is the size of it up against my vehicle. You can see my vehicle's way longer. Look at that. Look how small that thing is.